Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the SQL joins. So we have two type of joins, inner joins and outer joins. And there are subcategories for that. For inner join, we have theta join, equi-join and natural join. And for outer join, we have left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So I'll be showing you every kind of join practically as well as theoretically. So we have two tables which I've already made. First is album, second is artist table. So I'll show you how to join them. Now I will start with the theta join. Select asterisk from uh, album, I mean this table, inner join uh, artist A on. So what I'll do, I'll make a comparison condition. Like we have four columns here, which is album ID, title, artist ID, column name. I mean column 1. Here we have artist ID and name. So in both the tables we have artist ID in common. So what we can do, we can write a2 dot artist ID greater than a1 dot a dot artist ID. So if I run this query, I can either run this query using execute button or using control enter as well. Okay, so I'm getting the results for the comparison condition. So in the theta join, so theta is not the particular keyword, but it is the kind of implementation of join where we have the condition other than equal to. So this is all for theta join. So if I write equal here and if I run this query, then whatever the result we have gotten for equi-join. So in equi-join, we have a condition for the common attribute with an equal to operator. Now here comes the natural join. In the natural join, we have keyword natural and join, and we can remove the comparison part. I mean comparison part, we can remove it. It will do it internally. What it will do internally, it will just see the common attribute among the two tables and just join the two tables. Okay, so I have clicked on control enter and ran the query. So here both the tables are joined, and the common column was album ID, at artist ID. Now through this common column we have gotten the join. So that's a natural join for us. Like the way we are getting the results, we can define the joins. Like in theta join, we can define the theta join as the join of two tables where we compare the common attributes using operator other than the equal to operator. Like we can use the less than operator, greater than operator, not equals to operator. In the equi-join, we can use the equal to operator in the common attribute comparison. I mean the value of the common attribute comparison. And in the natural join, we can just write the natural join to join the two tables, and it will just internally check the common attribute among those tables and it will just join two tables. Now here comes the outer join. In the outer join, we have three parts: left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So we can just write the left outer join, and in the left outer join we can add the condition like using on keyword on a2 dot album ID is equal to a dot artist ID. So wherever the condition is matching, we will be getting the results, but only thing which we will be getting extra is even if there is no record matching for the table which is kept at left. This is the left table and this is the right table. So even if the record is not matched for a particular table, for a table which is kept at left, will be still be getting the records for the left table, but it is a join. So if there is no match, then for the right table we'll be getting the null result if there is no match in the records of both the tables. So I'll run this query. Here the album ID of first table is matched with the artist ID of second, so we'll be getting the data of both the tables. So where the album ID is not matched with the any of the artist ID of the right table, will be not getting the results. So if I scroll down until I'm not getting a valid result. Like for album ID 347, there is no artist ID 347, so we are getting null as artist ID and the name is also null. So that's how the left outer join works. And for right outer join, if we run the query with the right outer join, then album and artist are switched. Like artist is kept here, album is kept here, then we'll still be getting the same results. And the last one is full outer join. In the full outer join, so what we'll be getting the combination of left and right outer join. Like we'll be getting the results for the left table where the comparison is result is invalid, and the result of second table where the comparison results are invalid. So that's how full outer join works.